So when we began construction on this facility in 2019, one of the goals that we had was to create a shop that had tall ceilings and dual doors that we could pull equipment in and out of from each side or bring all of our large pieces of equipment in easily. Originally, we built 4 double bays, essentially for 8 workspaces or a singular long workspace. Shortly after we moved in 2020, we actually put a 5th double bay on, really for our tankers, tractor trailers, dump trucks, lowboys, all the big long pieces of equipment. What you can see here though is we have a lot of space to even be able to bring in mechanics trucks and cranes and work on things indoors when the weather is not great outside. We're able to keep the climate in here comfortable. We've got lots of overhead fans and heat in a number of areas in here. One thing that we did this past summer was actually put an entire array of solar panels on the top of the shop that will make the entire office energy neutral when we get our last piece that we've been waiting on.